Hello Solana farmers, my name is Seb. Today we're going to dive in and we're going to work out how we can get some of the sweet Marinade liquidity mining happening. So Marinade is a token that's been released by Marinade Finance. Marinade Finance is covered in a video which is linked in the top right here. So at the moment there's some pretty juicy APR, as you can see. 3 pools in particular, mSOL and SOL, mSOL and USDC, and mSOL and ORCA. This has only been going for about 10 hours. When we come to orca.so, we're on the exchange page. This is where you can do any of your exchanges with a really good DEX. But we're going to click up here in pools. Then, right here where it says filter by symbol, we're just going to type in mSOL. We've got 3 pools there. mSOL SOL, mSOL USDC, and ORCA and mSOL. Now, ORCA is a native token of the exchange. You can actually earn this token by doing the farming. What we're mostly interested in are the top 2, mSOL and SOL, and mSOL and USDC. So as you can see, you can earn a bit of a yield on both of these, pretty decent, and a lot more yield down here if you've got ORCA. None of this is financial advice, of course. My opinion is ORCA and mSOL will have a little bit of impermanent loss. Obviously, it has the greatest returns. These ones should have lower impermanent loss. These 3 pools will pay you with the ORCA token. But if we click on double dip, we can actually earn even more. This is where we earn the Marinade token. So we come on down, mSOL USDC, we can earn it here. It's currently 47.1%. ORCA and mSOL, another 88% or thereabouts, and mSOL and SOL, 26.2%. So I'm going to jump over to Marinade.finance. In this wallet, we've got a little bit of Solana and a little bit of USD coin. I'm going to show you a couple of different options that you can use. Firstly, we need to get some mSOL. So we'll click on Go to App, and then Connect Wallet and Phantom. So we need to convert some SOL into mSOL. So I'm going to connect my wallet, click Connect. And I've connected my wallet. I need to convert some SOL into mSOL. Now, I've done a little bit of an overview on this, a little bit of research. I do need to do more of a deep dive video. But as far as I can tell, it's very, very trustworthy. I'm going to go and convert some SOL. mSOL to mSOL. And I'm going to stake it. And now we're here back at ORCA. Click on All Pools. And if I jump in the wallet, you can see I've got some Solana, USD coin, and Marinade staked SOL. Now, I'm more interested in doing the pairs with USD coin. So you've got a couple of options on how you get USD coin. If you have no USD coin, of course, you could go down to the swap and you could just take a little bit of SOL, 1 SOL, and then convert it into USDC. Easy peasy. If you don't want to sell your SOL, and I certainly don't, then you could come to port.finance. Now, this is DeFi and it's a money market. So that basically means that we can supply and we can borrow. If you know what Aave is on Ethereum and Polygon, then this is basically a Solana version of that in a way. So what we could do here is we could go and we could deposit some Solana and then we could go borrow some USD coin. As you can see, I've already borrowed some USD coin. Up the top here where it says risk factor, be super aware of this. You don't want this to get too high. 85.96% is probably way too high. My deposit value and my borrow value, this probably needs to be bumped up to $2,000. So we've come back to ORCA, connect our wallet, Phantom, and connect. Jump into pools, and we're going to do this one, mSOL and SOL. Click on deposit. I'm going to deposit 1 mSOL, which will deposit almost about 2 Solana. So this is a little bit different to normal liquidity farms where it's normally 50%, 50%. This is a little bit different. They have their own curve system. Click down here, I verify, and then deposit. And we click approve. And as you can see, the updated Phantom shows us everything that is happening. Click on approve. Our deposit is complete. So we'll jump into double dip up the top here, and then we'll scroll on down. And down here, it lights up. Click on double dipping and approve again. Now we're earning Marinade and we're also earning ORCA. At the moment, 0.418 Marinade per day. So that's one option, mSOL and SOL. I'm more keen on mSOL and USDC. So back to all pools. You'll also notice there's SOL and USDC, which is good, but it's not as good, in my opinion, as mSOL and USDC. So we come on down, mSOL, USDC, nice and juicy, 68%, click deposit. Putting in all of the USDC and 5.4 mSOL and deposit. Approve the transaction. As you can see, $98 a month. Back into double dip. And then we click on double dip. And approve. So now remember, none of this is financial advice. However, I believe mSOL and SOL, they would have the lowest risk of impermanent loss. And mSOL and USDC, that would be a little bit higher. Now you can do ORCA and mSOL. However, that may have a little bit of impermanent loss. I think long term, the ORCA token and the ORCA exchange in general, that's probably going to be a top 3 exchange on Solana. However, I have not done a deep dive into ORCA as of yet. Now, what do we do when we want to harvest our rewards? As you can see down here, there's a button that says harvest. There's almost no Marinade there, but we're going to go and harvest it nevertheless and click on approve, harvesting a little bit of Marinade. Also, if we scroll on up and go to all pools, we can go down here, and if we really want to, we can also harvest our orca. That amount for orca is nothing, but we'll harvest it anyway. Once we've got a little bit of orca, we could go to staking up the top here, and we could go and deposit our small amount of orca in here. We've got a little bit of orca from previously, deposit, and it's currently at 72%. Now let's go back to pools and let's work out how we can remove our liquidity. So first things first, jump on double dip, scroll on down, and let's harvest and undip this one here. So harvest and undip, click on that, approve. While that transaction is going through, scroll up and go to all pools, scroll on down and just click on withdraw. Withdraw, and this will withdraw the amount of mSOL. Then we can click on withdraw here. What will happen is we'll get the mSOL and the USDC back in our wallet. And there we go. And that's all there is for a little bit of yield. So that's pretty simple as far as I'm concerned. If you want some more information, jump on Twitter. I'll link this below. And also jump into their Discord and check it out there. Thanks very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And any comments, put them below. Any suggestions for other tutorial videos, let me know. Thanks. Bye.